PAK, the future of eco-friendly packaging. When compared to similar plastic bottles with the same volume, PAK uses 55% less plastic material. It is made with the FSC certified paper. PAK is composed of 2 blank sheets of paper lamination with a thin plastic layer on the surface. After these sheets are sealed along their edges, air is then inflated through the spout. PAK's seamless bottom ensures resistance to water, ideal for use in wet environments. Chopon's transparent GL film is used in the paper lamination process, providing PAK a superior barrier when compared to its counterparts. PAK is a paper-based container with a dispensing pump. Once empty, simply replace it with a new PAK and reuse a dispensing pump. All faces of PAK are printable, offering your product an aesthetic advantage that expresses your brand's image. Simple, yet elegant. Distinctive designs that dive off the shelf. Display natural elements in your design, embracing your brand's commitment towards sustainability. PAK is an excellent packaging choice for a wide variety of personal care and toiletry products such as shampoo, conditioner, hand soap, mouthwash, and sunscreen lotion. With minor modifications, they can be filled using a conventional plastic bottle filling machine. PAK can be delivered flat or inflated depending on your requirements.